Hello, my name is Agilan, and this is Dhiren, Taswin, and Tanwei Huai. Together we form our group under teacher Siti Rohana from SMK Sultan Badlisha, and this is our product, EcoWall.
Oh my god, so boring the English class.
Exactly, bro. I don't know what the this about also.
That's why. Cannot wait for the holidays lah.
Yeah, when the holidays come, I just want to sleep.
Hey, when was all this class here?
I don't know, bro. I think we have to find a way to reuse it.
I think I know a way.
Plastic waste has become a big issue in this time due to its ability to survive through the test of time and weather. These plastics are covering our world and bringing nothing but harm to our environment. This can cause issues such as plastic pollution, lack of electricity in some regions, and causing the spread of plagues.
Our innovation idea is EcoWall. EcoWall is an innovation that uses pyrolysis process to generate electricity using plastic waste. Our product uses the abundance of plastic waste to produce electricity through the process of pyrolysis. This innovation can help to create new energy in a safe and renewable way that reduces pollution.
For those wondering how does it work, first the plastic is shredded into small pieces and put in an airtight container that lacks oxygen. This sealed container is heated up to melt the plastic and produce three byproducts: syngas, biofuel, and biochar. We'll be focusing on syngas, which is a combination of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, dihydrogen, and hydrocarbons that will be collected. This syngas can be used to produce batteries, which will give us the electricity we desire. The other two products, being biofuel and biochar, will be collected and sold off for the production of liquid and solid fuels such as petrol and coal.
Moreover, for the advantages of the product, our product managed to benefit the excess amount of plastic waste by turning it into a valuable resource which is electricity. The product also ensures the cleanliness of rural areas and urban areas by collecting the plastic waste, and it creates a renewable source of energy from an overabundant resource.
Here we have a basic sketch of our product along with the processes that the plastic will undergo to create electricity. Alongside our sketch, we have prepared a 3D model recreation of what we plan for the product to become. This model was created using a 3D modeling software and was used as a baseline for the rest of our project.
Materials and costs: number 1, cutter, which is free. Number 2, steel airtight container that acts as a reactor for 20 ringgit. A Bunsen burner from our science lab. A metal pipe for RM7 per foot. A bucket of water. A crucible which costs 6 ringgit and 80 cents. And a pressure release valve for 25 ringgit.
The total cost of the materials has been reduced to 60 ringgit due to the reasonable prices at Mr. DIY.